Welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to teach you the benefits of drinking turmeric water daily. So let's get started. Drinking turmeric water daily can potentially have various effects on the body due to the active compound found in turmeric, known as curcumin. However, it's important to note that the effects may vary from person to person, and scientific research on the long-term effects of consuming turmeric water is still ongoing. Here are some potential effects. Anti-inflammatory properties. Curcumin is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, which may help reduce inflammation in the body. This could be beneficial for individuals with conditions related to chronic inflammation, such as arthritis. Antioxidant benefits. Curcumin also acts as an antioxidant, which means it can help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body. This antioxidant activity may contribute to overall health and potentially reduce the risk of certain chronic diseases. Digestive health. Turmeric has been traditionally used to aid digestion. Drinking turmeric water might help stimulate bile production, which could support digestion and alleviate some gastrointestinal discomfort. Brain health. Some studies suggest that curcumin might have a positive impact on brain health by crossing the blood-brain barrier, and potentially reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. However, more research is needed in this area. Heart health. Curcumin may have a positive effect on heart health by improving blood vessel function and reducing the risk of heart disease. It might also help regulate blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Potential cancer protection. Some laboratory studies have suggested that curcumin could have anti-cancer properties. It might help inhibit the growth of certain cancer cells, but more research is needed to establish its effectiveness in humans. Joint health. Due to its anti-inflammatory properties, turmeric water could potentially provide relief to individuals suffering from joint pain or arthritis. Skin health. Curcumin's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties might have a positive effect on skin health, potentially reducing the risk of skin conditions and promoting a healthy complexion. Blood sugar regulation. Some studies suggest that curcumin might help regulate blood sugar levels, which could be beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing diabetes. It's important to consume turmeric in moderation, as excessive consumption may lead to digestive issues or interact with certain medications. Also, curcumin's bioavailability is relatively low, meaning that it may not be easily absorbed by the body. Combining turmeric with black pepper, which contains piperine, can enhance curcumin absorption. Thank you for watching. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Subscribe for more valuable content, and hit that notification bell.